तो जैसे आपने देखा, मैं और मेरे कई साथी #ChoosePlayEveryday अभियान का हिस्सा बन गए हैं. You can also choose Play Every Day and be a part of this campaign to make the time and space for children to play. To do this, post a picture and with one of these signs. They are available in multiple languages on the campaign website ndtv.com/Bachpan Manao. Now it's time for some play in all different forms. My colleague Abira Dharrao is in Pune and about to set off for a nature walk with her daughter. Abira, over to you.
Yes. Hello. Okay. I'm here with the kids here in Pune in Empress Garden, where we are going scavenger hunting, and we are in a nature walk, and I'm here with my daughter.
Sing again and again.
Okay. Oh, okay. I just got scolded by her. Here is Arohi, my daughter, and we have all the other kids, and we are right now looking at a centipede. If you can see, we are all standing around a centipede, and we are trying to explore nature with the kids. I think there's no better way than playing than this. Look at this! Wow, this is.
It is poisonous.
It's not poisonous. No, it is
How
not.
many legs does it have? Do you see
Can
the
you
number
see?
of legs?
I can see the legs.
Oh,
Yes.
how many legs are there?
40.
40?
Okay, how many legs?
20.
How many legs do you see?
So we are exploring nature with all the children here, and like we say, play is the best way to learn for kids, and that's exactly what we are doing. I'm holding this basket here where we are putting in all things that we can see, and inside there are flowers, leaves, so they can play with them. So the children are doing. Let me talk to Shruti. Hi. So she is a part of Green Panther. Please tell me why play is so important and what we are doing today.
All right, yeah. So play, as I say, is children's language, and children love to explore through touch, smell and taste. That's the way they learn, grow and connect.
Absolutely, and this is how we are doing it. We are running around, playing around, and the kids are, the imagination is so beautiful.
Oh, just like how we saw, they touched the tree bark and it felt like a road. And when we saw the mushroom, it felt like somebody imagined it to be caramel popcorn.
Yes,
So that's the
that's
wonderful
Arohi.
thing. That's what happens when they are in nature.
Yes, I know. Thank you. So yes, that's what we are doing. Bhag rahe, daud rahe, khel rahe, and the kids are extremely interested in what is happening around. And I don't think I usually see children. Water is from the tree,
Keep it on
baby.
this, keep it on
As a parent, this is one of the best moments for me to see my child. To see my child walk around and play around in nature, which we usually don't get to see, So yeah, it's an absolute pleasure to be here and be a parent and be with other parents and children and explore this beautiful place.
Yeah, you can hold it. No problem. Okay, I think let's leave it on its own now.
Yeah,
Let's not
yeah.
bother the centipede, and we can look for some other things. Yeah? Okay, let's go. Come.
And there are children at play.
You go
And
because
here
we
they
will
were
pick up the
setting off on a nature trail.